so day 6 of the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today we got a little bit of a short one, but that doesn't mean it puts in the work, right? Alright, I'm right. Anyways, this here is a scheduler, and it takes all your items on your to-do list, looks at its urgency that you've set, and then actually places them on your calendar at ideal times. Let me show you my to-do list first and I'll explain further. Here it is. This is AI generated. I did not write any of this, right? So here you can see that the AI just set these categories for these, okay? And yeah, so green bean and yeah, that has to be done today. Yellow bean should really be done today. Red bean has to be done today, and urgent red meaning it has to be really done like as soon as possible, right? And I've set them. The AI has set them all for the 7th of September. I don't think, yeah, the status is not really used in this automation. I'll probably do one tomorrow where it uses everything, but like a super version of this. But that's what happens when we put it into our automation to find best times to do this. So usually this is a really good automation because you don't really want to spend the time. There's certain times of the day where you work best, and you know that at this point, right? And you don't really want to spend that time doing easy tasks. You want to get the hard tasks. You just want to go to sleep, or you're too early in the morning or something. So this actually, in these chat modules, have actually your preferences. So I've read a bit of mine. I like mine in the morning. I like doing tasks then. And if you go to one of the chat modules, you see you can't really. It's a bit. Don't worry about this. This is the ID of the like yellow, red, green. And I've set like the times I'd prefer to do them. Yeah. So let's start with the Airtable. You know, just got all the bundles, the AI generated, and then start time. So in Mate, Google Calendar only takes ISO 8601 format, which is, you've seen it before, sounds complicated, literally just the military time kind of. Yeah, so this is mine. I live in England, so it's +0, and yeah, that some kinks here. I put this is going to be the urgent, really urgent, right? I put that to +3 hours, even though it probably take an hour, for example. That's because if any of I went to uni in a quite respectable uni, and you know, when the work gets tough, all of you know this, but when the work gets tough, you don't really want to put like a limit on the time. You want to spend the allotted time. So I put +3 hours here. Maybe tomorrow I'll put some sort of function, but today I put +3 hours because, you know, those tasks that need to be done properly, they need to be done with no time constraint. Like, I've only got 10 minutes left of this time constraint, I have to go to my next task. No, you gotta spend the whole time on some task, right? Like, kind of deviated a bit, but you kind of understand why I got like urgency as a big time slot. Okay, so it will be start date, end date, which will be the same day, but the time. Alright, let me show you one. So this one, bundle, operation number 4, and then literally take those both and put it as a constraint in the start date. So it starts at the beginning date, you can see it pulse a bit, and the end date, alright? And giving it a name from the Airtable. And yeah, let's just run it. I'll show you. Look, I can even talk why it does it. Don't take too long, right? So it literally goes through each one, there's only 5, and instead of thinking every day to where am I going to do this task, I don't know how long, much time to spend, let the AI do it, spend time doing something else, less than a minute. Google Calendar, let me show you my calendar, and there we go. See events organized properly. And you may ask, yeah, I want time for lunch, yeah, I want time for something else. This is a prototype. I have quite a simple one to show the automation. Tomorrow I think I'm going to make a real nice one, right? So let me know if you want that, but this is sort of a loose calendar, if you say, like, you know which order to do the tasks in, right? So yeah, it's a short calendar automation. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow on day 7.